is the Miranda Twins. And I'm Pam.
And I'm Nino.
And today we're making normal slime. So, let's get started. So, we also got these new socks. They're really pretty.
So she's red and I'm basically black, or it could be dark blue. I don't know. You guys can decide.
Yeah, so first we just put some PBL glue, like maybe half a cup in each bowl.
Yeah, and then
so
we
now
got borax and water in here.
So I'm gonna make.
There's borax and water, hot water to make sure the borax dissolves.
And I'm gonna
make turquoise.
I want to make turquoise.
Okay.
And by the way, Nino is going to Australia, and I'm really gonna miss her.
So we're not gonna be making videos for
a week. Okay, so now let's just see if the turquoise experiment works before.
I've already tried it, so I need to tell you.
Okay. First I'll put in my green, and then you'll put in
about 1 drop. Careful, because there's a little thing. Right.
And then just put some bowl. And then you mix it. And you churn it. Whoa! Look at that color.
Just put my hands in.
This is
sorry guys, I accidentally lost my voice for a second. Like 1 second. Don't worry guys. I smile.
That is such a good color.
Mine, I haven't actually mixed mine, so let's see how it turns out. I accidentally add too much green.
You need some more blue.
I know.
I need to put in some more.
That's not really meant green because
I want it to be like this color.
Last time I made mine mint green and it was so pretty. Pretty falls my new word.
I think I want to put some more green in it to blue.
I'll show the other slime that I made. It's quite a while. It's a really cool colour. It's how it's supposed to turn out.
Have I seen it, Nino?
No. It's a really cool colour.
Yay, that is like perfect. So guys, we're just gonna keep mixing up this. Can I please put some glue in?
No.
Okay then. So now, I think I need to add a little more glue. I haven't got my good color yet.
This is gonna be my color. Just mix it up.
I want a certain color.
Cool color.
So, I need more glue.
I want it kind of, yeah, this is actually
That should be enough. Yes, this is the color. More like it.
I'll put it on my head.
Okay, so now, you guys, you just need to add the borax.
Yeah.
So guys, first I'm going to put in a teaspoon. And don't add too much borax because I've had lots of experience of adding too much borax and your slime goes really bad, so I wouldn't do that if I was you.
Mine's turning out really, okay.
1 more teaspoon, that's. I'm doing. If that slime doesn't fall by me. No, it's 4. I need to get it right sides.
Okay, so guys, our first video was very weird. Okay, it's very weird. So it's just.
Yeah, we totally regret that. Well, at least it's got 204 views, so.
It doesn't have 200 points.
Yes, it does. Even look at it. I looked at it yesterday. And you are wrong.
I'm kind of being poor right now.
Yeah, we don't like to do that, but it's for you guys.
So we don't get mucky, actually. It's for ourselves. Because we're selfish little brats. That's your slime.
No. I need to add more borax.
Borax? What's that? Borax. It's boring.
Borax. Yes, I know. I need to add some more borax.
Hey, you stole mine.
Oh, it went on my skin.
She stole my spoon.
I don't care.
Doesn't matter if it goes on your skin.
Yes, it does. It can give you a 300-degree burn.
So, it has never happened to me.
That's because you probably don't even care.
Look, I'll put some on my skin right now. Oh, no 300-degree burn.
Let's see. I'm not adding any more borax. This is good slime, look.
Yeah.
I'll just keep mixing.
Let me mix mine in here.
That's all thinking.
Guys, we're the best YouTubers ever.
So make sure you guys subscribe.
Because otherwise we will hate you forever and...
My teacher is the best. Her name is Miss Kegel. She's the best teacher.
If you're watching this cable, you will also my best teacher.
Yeah, so I'm going to send this to you. It's going to be wonderful. But, yeah. Oh, I've got these really annoying boys in my class. I won't mention their names, but in case we watch this in front of the whole class. This slime is so sticky. I'm really mad at you. Okay.
We don't finish the video because we're still making it.
I know.
We'll see you guys when we're actually like, you know,
The slime's
mixing
good.
it. Guys,
So guys, this is my slime.
This is my one.
They're really good.
Yeah.
And so comment down below who would you like more.
Well, mine's not a really nice color. I have to say, like,
Mine's very good. I really like it. And it's really stretchy, see? I've had problems with getting stretchy slime, but this one is finally stretchy.
I'm not supposed to eat that, guys. So comment who's better on slime.
Yeah.
And guys, just this is basically slime video part 2 because we're done one. So like, subscribe,
And after this, we're doing another video, and it's going to be called, should I say?
No, it's a surprise.
Okay, so the first viewer, we will, if you have to comment down below your Instagram, and the first comment, we will like your post.
Yeah.
Mm.
Bye.
Mm.